Okay, I got my booth set up. And we still got to fix the cord situation, but that'll happen eventually. And there's my little dress I made. I got these things. I love that. I thought about keeping it, but I couldn't find a place where it'd look right in my house. And there's some of the things. And I painted that frame. I got to put a hanger on it. It didn't have a hanger on it. And I was trying to, but I was afraid I'd bust it. I gotta get smaller nails. It's not a lot, but I guess I don't want to overcrowd it. There's some wooden storage boxes. And the boxes I got to use in here, but it didn't work out. So I'm just going to sell them. And some little stuffed animals. Some wooden spoons. That little cabinet I painted. And it's got a little decorative heart in it. And my little mannequin was a jewelry holder, but I made it a mannequin. Corn holders. A Lazy Susan type dish thing. I don't know what you call it. And I gotta wait for my command hook to set an hour before I hang that on it. And there's the lamp that I painted and covered the lampshade. And I had to steal the finial off of one of my lamps at home and paint it today. And then there's a dish and a wooden tray. And this is neat. I got it on there crooked, but that's a command hook. It's got like a nail. Ain't that awesome? Oh, and there's a little birdhouse door hook thing. And that's it so far. Stayed up late getting this stuff ready. So I'm about ready for a nap. So, let me know what y'all think. And I hope everybody will stop by. Bye, y'all.